Hello again, friends. Welcome back. ETPC here, doing another unboxing. This is a Bluetooth headphone. They are noise canceling with 4.1 Bluetooth by Jecoo. Let's open up the box here if we can. We can. So inside there is that. See if we can't pull these out of here. Come on. Okay, so these are they're fairly lightweight, have like a kind of a rubber coating, so it's nice, grippable. This is the left ear and right ear. Looks like it goes over the top of the ear there, and it looks like it'll be fairly comfortable. Let's see what else is in the box first. Alright, so obviously it has the USB charger, and it comes with, what do we got in here in the bag? Not sure. So 2 additional pairs of the ear covers, and then a little black part there. I think that goes around over the cord, maybe, perhaps to make it shorter. Okay, so let's see how well this, little dusty there. Make sure that's all good. So that's the left ear. Let's see if I can't put this on here real quick to see what kind of fit we got here. A little difficult with the helmet on, but maybe we can achieve success here. Dun, dun, dun. Bear with me here, my friends. This is not as easy as it would appear. Oh. Alright, so obviously you can't see that because it's behind my helmet. That is quite comfortable. Actually really comfortable. Yeah. So this other part would go around behind and in there as well. So this is just the unboxing. Quite comfortable here. What other features there? It has the little port here for charging right there. You can open it up. It has the power button on there, and volume up and down. Now I do not, are these able to talk on the phone also? I am not sure. I do not think so. So anyways, that is what also comes with the instructions in the box here. We will be doing a demonstration, review, setup, and all that good stuff soon. So this is just the unboxing, showing you what the contents are, kind of having a little overview of the product and how it fits, what's the material, and what we're working with here. So thanks for watching, my friends. I will be back shortly with a review and demonstration video. So everyone have a wonderful day out there. Thanks for watching the video, and have a great new year. Okay, so we are finally done charging. So when this is fully charged, you're going to have the little blue light showing there. Let's show you how to sync these up to your phone and check them out. Alright, so we are going to try to pair this. So what we're going to do is hold down this button here for 3 seconds, and red and the blue light will flash alternately. So here we go. Okay, so it's red and blue light flashing alternately. Now we're going to go into our settings. Try to get that on video for you guys. Now that our light is flashing red and blue, we're going to go to Bluetooth connected devices and pair new device. It's scanning for available devices. It has found the U8. I believe that's what we want. Pairing. And we're connected at a battery. It shows the battery life at 100%. So now I can listen to some music. That was fairly easy. Oh, right, my friends. Final thoughts on these Bluetooth headphones from Jecoo. So pairing was super easy to get these paired. They're quite comfortable actually, and sound was good also. I hooked it up to my Google Pixel, paired them with that, and played some Amazon tunes on there. So good sound, decent sound reducing technology also for around you. So it just isolates the music. So that's also nice. Comfortable in the ears for sure. And this little part over here is a good idea, just in case if you're doing exercise or something, that's going to hold over your ear nicely. So it's nice and comfortable. Seems like a good product. Yeah. So thanks so much for watching this video. Everyone have a great day out there. This one does, I think when I did the unboxing, I wasn't sure if it answered the phone or not, but yeah, it does. You can answer your telephone with it, and you can talk and all that good stuff. So nice little pair of headphones here. Everyone have a great day. Thanks for watching this review, and we'll see you next time.